Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check TikTok profile viewers. So for this, the first step is to open the TikTok app on this Android device. So from here you will just go in the profile icon on the right below. So as simple, you will see in the top right corner of three lines, and in the lines you will see the footstep of profiles viewers. This is the symbol where the viewers can visit in your profile. So here is the profile views. So these all are users views my profile. So from here you will just see who who viewed your profile on TikTok. Go back, and this section is the profile icon viewer. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.